Hello everyone, my name is Vikram. Welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to use nut and bolt in the assembly. So let's see how we can add fasteners in our assembly. So Solid has inbuilt library for fastener systems. First we need to specify the hole where we want to add our fasteners, and then we need to specify the depth. And in the library, Solid has automatically search for the appropriate standard parts and show a dialog box. Then we need to choose appropriate fasteners for our assembly. We can add fasteners, nut and bolts, washer, whatever we want. And if we are working on a project, we can use our saved settings, or we can save our settings and then we can use it, and it will automatically assemble as you can see in this video.